guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everybody. Good morning.
Tandaan.
So, yan guys ang daan namin. Yan.
Nakaliko kayo guys. Grabe guys. Nakitalit to. Okay. Lipayan ko guys. No, nagtrupa tanan guys. Maghapot may 500 kapit kaligid. Mabil mo 600.
True pa daw niya guys, 23rd IP. Ano?
21st.
20.
Airborne. Malupat na sila guys.
Kung ditong kuya, may 23rd IP. Yan lang naman guys. Yan lang. Yan naman guys. Ternong kalo, pero ang akong kalo nga isa ang butugasan na.
Naging-magnet na to guys.
Wala man itong nakitaan, gisuot-suot ang akong kalo, no?
Datos virus guys. Sa sudlan ni virus balay.
Isa nga virus, honey.
Wala ba basta giya? May respeto, may batasan.
Honey, don't say like that, ha?
Di mo kayo ikuan mo.
Don't say like that, no? Never mind. Forget it. Forgot it. Forgot it? Forget it.
Past.
Oh my God. Present tense, past tense pala ito. Yan lang naman guys. Forget it. Never mind. Then, go, go, go. Let it go. So, yun lang naman guys.